It looks like I've got to continue on another video. What I was saying was that the disputes that involve money would have to be ratified. The decision of the arbitration panel would have to be ratified by the Board of Supervisors. Technically, public money cannot be spent by non-elected officials. That's the sovereignty issue. So I want, again, for the purposes of the test, I want you to remember the importance of sovereignty and its re-emergence as a significant feature in collective bargaining in the public service. So the trade-off for giving up the right to strike or not having the right to strike is arbitration. That's the sort of the general understanding of it. What's happening is that, of course, the scope of bargaining has been extraordinarily narrowed by recent decisions in the public sector, particularly in some of the states. It's not so bad in California, but in other states it's been narrowed. And the ability to maintain union membership has been significantly narrowed, as you know, and is probably going to be even further narrowed with the Fredericks case. And the lack of ability to impose or to have arbitration means even further erosion of the power, the ability of public employees to exercise some sort of control over their own destiny. In other words, we're seeing a very serious, long-term, sustained assault on the ability of the representatives of public employees to try and ensure that they are indeed effective in representing the interests of those employees. And that's a very, very major item. And it's not under the table, it's not under the radar. I mean, this is out in everybody's face. There have been a number of efforts in California, a number of efforts to get ballot initiatives in California, making sure that the scope of bargaining would be extraordinarily limited and that membership, the ability of the union to represent members politically would be more and more restricted. So that's what's happening there with this area. This is the cutting edge of the current fight. Okay, guys,